There are 12 secrets for a healthy marriage. 1. Date each other forever. Just because you're married doesn't mean you have to stop going on dates. 2. When you're hurt, say so gently instead of attacking. 3. Always keep your phones away during quality time. 4. Learn each other's love languages fluently. 5. Never use silence as punishment. 6. Create traditions that are just yours. 7. Compliment each other more than you criticize. 8. Handle each other's vulnerabilities with care. 9. When you come across a problem, fight the problem, not each other. 10. Maintain physical connection daily, even if just holding hands. 11. Remember why you chose them when times get tough. 12. Grow together, so you don't grow apart. Send this to your partner, and follow us for more.